All right, let's take a trade on the Forex pairs in our Forex portfolio. So this is the DXY, the dollar index. We're going to analyze the dollar index and use it to take a trade on the Euro and the GBP. Okay, so let's see this. We have seen the PMC. We're expecting a downward move, 50% or 100%. Okay. Today is the last day of March, and let's see how long it take our price action to play out. So, got a fractal, mirror the fractal, and rescale the fractal. For right, this one is too big. Let's take a new one from the low before the lowest low. Okay, I need to zoom a little bit. Okay, good. This gives us more visual. Low before the lowest low, then up to 50% area. Mirror this fractal, then good. So we have that. I want you to look at what I'm doing now and try to understand it. Okay. Same highs, right? Different location where we caught, but it happened to be the same high. Is that random? No, that's not random. See that area 2? Expecting that formation. Okay. So let's go back. So what we need to do now, look at this area also. In that way, or scale that area. What can you see? You can see price action in this way. Okay, same highs, same pullbacks, right? That's giving us another confluences to take a short on the dollar. And that short on the dollar is going to give us a good trade. All right, let's see. Good. Zero drawdown entry. And our price has started to move in our direction by 0.5 to 1. Okay. When trading mirrored fractal, there should be no guesswork. If there is no structure of self-similarity, then no trade. No trade. We always want structural self-similarity when trading the mirrored fractals. This boss button is too much actually, that's why it's refusing to like fit within the skill. 9:16 aspect ratio, I guess. So let's check with our Fib, our target. Okay, as you can see, we have a 50%, 61%. 50% is guaranteed, though we shouldn't be using the word guaranteed. I'm not a financial advisor, but we have 50% to get to that. So if you're a fractal trader, okay, let's see. After a few minutes, this is what we have. Almost a 50%. We have 1 to 3.7 out of 1 to 8. Okay. So let's see. Based on this trade, I'll be taking profit at. We have the fractal stops. That's 61% retracement. This trade isn't going to stay up to 100, at least for this week. Let's see. That's where I'll find I'll take profit be at 61% retracement. So let's expect that. We are not going to allow the price to reverse on us. Okay. Okay, we are back after a couple of minutes, and here we have it, 61.8 retracement for our trade and final take profit.